Hey there, fellow diabetics. Welcome back to our channel, where we share delicious and healthy recipes tailored specifically for our needs. Today we have something special for you. We're going to explore some fantastic and refreshing healthy drinks that you can easily make at home. Before we get started, it's essential to remember that managing our blood sugar levels is crucial. These drinks we're about to show you are made with ingredients that won't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar, making them suitable for diabetics. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that promote overall health. Our first drink is a delightful and tangy mango lassi. It's incredibly simple to make and oh so delicious. To make this mango lassi, we'll need 1 ripe mango, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cardamom powder, and some ice cubes. Let's blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. That's heavenly. The natural sweetness of the mango combined with the tanginess of the yogurt makes this a perfect treat. And the best part? Mangoes are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which helps boost our immune system. Now let's move on to our next healthy drink, a vibrant green smoothie. For this green smoothie, we'll need a handful of spinach and kale leaves, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, the juice of half a lemon, and a cup of water. Let's blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. Refreshing. This green smoothie is not only packed with greens, but also contains a good dose of fiber and vitamins. It's a fantastic way to sneak in those leafy greens and get your day off to a healthy start. Lastly, we have a zesty and bubbly drink that's perfect for those who crave something fizzy, a sparkling citrus mocktail. To make this sparkling citrus mocktail, we'll combine a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, some sparkling water, and a few crushed mint leaves. Stir it gently and pour it over ice. That's so refreshing. This thirst-quenching mocktail is not only bursting with citrus flavors, but also provides a good dose of vitamin C. It's a fantastic alternative to sugary sodas and a great way to stay hydrated. And there you have it. 3 delicious and healthy drinks that you can enjoy without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more diabetic-friendly recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.